Hey all, welcome back to the Tech Blogs with Yashoda. And in this video tutorial, we'll see how the date functions are works and what are the demos, how we'll use the date functions in the SQL code. So, if you are new in our channel, so please do subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't seen our previous video, so please watch it first, and please comment if you like my video, and let's begin the session. So the SQL is provides the seven type of the very important functions. So let's start. We'll start with the get date. So the get date, it compares with today's date. So here in my table, we have fourth columns: employee ID, name, date of birth, credited date. So if I want to get employees which are created 2 days only, so in it we don't have the date of 2 days. So it will be goes for the 0 rows only. So let's execute the query. Select a star from where cast. We use a cast because we need to define the only specific date of it. So that's why we use the credited date here with the cast function. So the cast is the one of the function of the string, so which is provided by the SQL. So here I am creating the cast created as date as a date equal to the cast get date as a date. So you can see that it goes for the 0 rows only because no employees enter for the 2 days date only. Get date is totally related to the present date. So let's try with the 2 days date. Let's insert the one row in a table with the 2 days date only. The today is 17th July 2025 suppose. So I'm just inserting here the row. So it gives the one row for the present date only. So let's see. So here I'm just giving the insert into employee info table with whatever the columns here are, like employee ID, name, date of birth, and credited date. So value is giving, like we have a previously fifth rows. So I'm just giving the sixth one row. Suresh, it's 2 days date. Suppose I'm getting it, get that. So it will be insert the, you can see that it goes for the one row affected, and you will see that again we re-execute the previous query of it, so it goes for the one row only. So let's see. Yeah, you can see that it's showing the today's date only. So let's dive into the next type. It's a date different. Also a date difference is basically calculate the age of the date, or else basically it's used for the age forms only. So if in our table, suppose we have a date of birth, from this date of birth we can find the each number of each employee's age. So let's select name, date difference, year. So firstly we need to take out the date of birth, get date. So it's a previous, we are using the get date because we are dealing with the ages only, so it calculates the all over. Yeah, so you can see that it's defining the 26, 35 and so on. So here I'm simply adding the credited date, all over dates I'm added, all over columns I'm adding here. So you can see that Ramesh is a 26-year-old, Misha is a 27, so Adu is 27. So it dealing with the ages only. So the third type of it is date add. it's added the future date reminders. If you want to remind something about the dates, so you must use the date add function. So employees whose birthday will come in next 30 days, suppose. So I just simplify use the no simply I use here select employee ID name credited date from EMP data info, and where the date add, we are dealing with the date of birth only, so we should try with the date of birth. Get date, why I'm adding here get date, because it's dealing with the today's date only, so it gives the all over reminders of next 30 days employee whose birthday comes in within a 30 days, and date add day 30 get date I'm adding here. I'm just applying all over things in the where clause because we need to try everything in a structured way. So you can see that here is giving the zero number of record because there is a no any employee which birthday is coming within a 30 days. So let's dive into the fourth date name. It's extract the day or month of name only. So if I want to need the day and month names from created date, so I simply use the date name function here only. Let's write the query, select name, date name. So dw is the attribute of it, then dw is the attribute of name of date name. So I'm just simplifying with the date name, created days, add a created day, and date name month as a created date, so it gives the June, August, September, December, and so on. So basically dw means it's defining the day of it, and the month is giving the month of it. So fifth one is the date part. It's extract the year or month from the specific date. If we want to extract the specific year or month from the uh, date, so we can use the date part here, the select star from where the employee date info, and you can see that it's defining the 8 month, the month of it, it's coming into the August only, so it giving the 8. Here we added the August employees only, so that's why I use the equal to 8. It giving the specific date. The sixth type of it, end of month. So it defines the what date comes in the last of month, means it's a 31 or 30 from the credited date. So let's see. Specifically, I use the select name credited date here because we need to dealing with the created date only. So from this it gives the last day of the month, so end of the month created date. It extract that kind of 31 or a 30. So I'm just simplifying the end of month created days as the end of month. So you can see that it defining the 31, 32, sorry 30, 31, and so on. You can see that it's giving the end of the month date only. So the seventh one is format. Custom format in output, it's provided by the format function only. The format created date as a DDMMYYY suppose. So I'm just defining it as this format only. In the previous format, we have another format, and I want to change the format of the specific credited date with the DDMMM fourth Y. So here I simplify the select name credited date with the DDMMYYY. Oh, I think I missed up the yeah. So I mess up the format because I haven't used it. So you can see that it gives the result too. So it gives the 2025, that kind of things it gives by the format only. So these are the very main types of the date functions, and these are very commonly used date functions in SQL. So I hope the video is found you more helpful. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share to your colleagues. And thank you so much.